Chinese food, me and Denise, and our bill for the two of us was $13.93. Market today in the town of Gorham. There's a cute little farmer's market. We got some Thai food, some lettuce and tomatoes for some salads, and some pork rolls. It was really good. But here's a cute little farmer's market, all dressed up, and they do it on Thursdays here. Just a tiny little thing, but it's super sweet. They've got a little train station there, and a church, town hall right there. You can see it in the distance. A bunch of little houses. And right here with the next to the flags is their memorial to the veterans of Gorham who served in the armed forces of the United States. In World War I, Korea, Grenada, Panama, Persia. And the ones that are starred have been killed in action. It's really neat. We're in Shelburne, Maine, and we're playing with Jack at the park. We are staying at a little cottage here. It's actually a little bit more than a cottage. It's called Philbrook Farms, and it's an old historic vintage farmhouse, complete with a wood-burning stove and a couple of wood-burning stoves, an old fireplace, a creaky old mattress that probably is as ancient as the house is. There's pictures on the wall of the person that owned it. It's pretty neat. Just enclosed casings. It's very colonial, but we're really enjoying it. Most of you probably know at this point that our RV broke down about 4 or 5 days ago, and we've been living in our RV. We just brought it today to the shop, and it was supposed to be ready in about a week and a half. So we are just hanging out, playing with Jack at the park, and living at this little place. So we'll take some pictures of it later and show it to you, but it's pretty fun. And we found this cute little park, and we took a picture of the rules because they're pretty hysterical. Okay, here's the park.